How to delete a second Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through this process of deleting your second Instagram account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in into your second Instagram account. Now tap on the profile icon. Once you are in the profile icon, tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner. Next, tap into Account Center from the drop down menu. And once you are in the Account Center, scroll down to the bottom and you will see Accounts. Simply tap on it and you will then add the second account that you want to delete. Once the second account is added, head back to the account settings and here is how you do it. Tap on settings and then select personal details. Once you are there, now scroll down to account ownership and control and simply click on it. This is where you will find the option to deactivate or delete your account. At this point, you will be prompted to choose whether you want to deactivate or delete the account. To permanently delete it, select Delete Account. And once you have made the choice, press Continue. Next, you will be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. After you selected your reason, simply tap on Continue. Now next, you will need to enter your password to confirm that it's really you making this request. You should just enter the password. And finally, after entering your password, you will be asked to confirm that you really want to permanently delete the account. Click on Delete Account and that's it. Your second account will be permanently deleted. Just a quick note, if you change your mind before the deletion date list on the screen, you can undo this action and recover your account. And that's how you can delete your second Instagram account. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.